Hello everybody, today I'm try to beat the boss battle in this game I've made. Please watch to see if I beat him. Okay, let's start. Okay, I need to change my weapon. I don't know. But I'm just destroying. Bro's about to explode himself. Bro's exploding himself. All I'm doing is just hitting him. And I'm almost done defeating him. Oh, no. I'm sorry. Am I shooting it? Oh, it's almost done. Yes. Okay. Please. Right button. See?